Hello friends, in this video I will explain you how we can apply linear regression in SPSS. So let's understand first what is linear regression. Whenever we are talking about regression, regression is generally used for the forecasting purpose, for the prediction purpose. So if we want to predict a dependent variable on the basis of one independent variable or more than one independent variables, we can go for the regression analysis. Or if we want to see the impact of independent variable or independent variables on one dependent variable, in that case also we will go for the linear regression. So we should have one hypothesis for that. So firstly I'll show you what is the hypothesis for this particular video. So suppose I'm taking the hypothesis there is no significant impact of height on weight. So here we are interested in checking that whether the height is impacting the weight or not. So now with the help of this hypothesis, firstly we will see what is our independent variable. So our independent variable is here height, because we are seeing the impact of height on weight. So that is why height is our independent variable and weight is our dependent variable. For regression, both the variables should be measured on either interval scale or on ratio scale. So here I have two variables and both are measured on ratio scale. So now with this hypothesis, we are moving for the SPSS window to see how we can apply regression in SPSS. So friends, here we have one data set. In that there are two variables, height and weight, according to our hypothesis. So now you need to check its scale. So you can see, so you can check in the measurement column, the measurement scale of both the variables is scale. In SPSS, scale means that the variable is either measured on interval scale or on ratio scale. So now we are going to apply regression. So for that we need to go to analyze menu, then we need to go to regression, and from this particular list we need to select the linear for applying the linear regression. Now here you can see we have two variables listed at the left hand side which we need to transfer at the right hand side, two boxes, dependent and independent. So I have already told you that height is our independent variable, so that I am shifting here with the help of this arrow in the independent box. Then weight is our dependent variable, so that I am shifting with the help of this arrow in the dependent box. And then we don't need to touch anything here, because I'm not going to let you know what type of assumptions we need to check here. So only we are understanding here how we can apply regression in SPSS. So for that you need to just click on the OK button. As you will click on OK, the SPSS will give you the outputs of regression, linear regression. So here you can see we have few tables. One by one we will see what these tables are stating to us. So the very first table is indicating us our independent and dependent variable. Then second table is indicating us the model summary. In that we need to see two things, that is the value of R and the R square. R is the simple correlation which is 0.823, and R square is coefficient of determination and its value is 0.678. So correlation indicates us the relationship between the two variables height and weight, and R square indicates us how much percent of the dependent variable is explained by the independent variable. So that way we can say 67.8% of the weight is explained by the height variable. Now moving for the ANOVA table. This is indicating us the fitness of the model. So we can say here with the help of the significant value that model is significantly fitted here between the height and weight, between these two variables. Now the last table is the coefficient table, which is indicating us the contribution of height in the weight. So we can say that the significant of the height is 0.000. So we can say that height is significantly contributing to the weight. So this way we can say on the basis of our hypothesis that there is a significant impact of height on weight. So this way, this is the regression analysis which we can do in the SPSS, and we can interpret the results. So friends, I hope this video will help you to understand how we can apply regression and how we can interpret the results of regression. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel Dr. Chanchal Jain, and you can also comment in the comment section if you want any other video from my side on any other topic which is related to research or which is related to statistics or some other numerical topics. So thank you so much. Please like, share and comment on my videos. Happy learning to all.